Hello my dear friends, I am Sujoy and today I will tell you how to do Simpson 3/8 rule on Casio fx-991ES calculator plus one secret trick to find out the answer without doing the math. So let's start. Our question is approximate integration of 1 divided by x squared dx with lower limit 1 and upper limit 2 by Simpson 3/8 rule with n or number of intervals equals to 9. So let's start. So our solution is the interval gap or h equals to upper limit minus lower limit divided by number of intervals, which is 2 minus 1 divided by 9 equals to 1 divided by 9. This is the general formula for Simpson 3/8 rule. I will come to it later. So first we will construct this table with the help of table mode of Casio fx-991ES calculator. So press 7 for table mode and it will ask you to enter the function of x. So our function of x is 1 divided by 1 plus x square. So we will enter, press the fraction button, 1 divided by 1 plus, for x press alpha and the right parenthesis and this button for square, and now press the equals to button. Enter the start value, our lower range, that is 1. Enter the end value, our upper range, that is 2, and press equals to. And step, the first step we will enter 1 divided by 9. So press 1, press this button for divide by 9 and press equals to. It will generate the table for you. So here is the table for you. The first value is 1. The first value of x is 1 and corresponding f of x value is 0.5. That means if we put 1 in place of x in the expression, we will get 0.5. Let's check it. 1 divided by 1 plus 1, that is 2. So 1 divided by 2 equals to 0.5. That is the meaning of f of x. If we put x in this function of x, so we will get our f of x value. Next, continue. In the next iteration, we will add our h value, that is 1 divided by 9 or 0.1111 to x. So that will form our next x value. So our next x value is 1 plus 0.1111, that is 1.1111. That is our next x value, and corresponding f of x value by putting that value is 0.4475. 0.4475. Next we will add 0.1111 to 1.1111 to get our next x value, which is 1.2222, and corresponding f of x value is 0.4009. So by this method you can easily construct the table using your calculator and write the values in tabular format. There is a special pattern for writing the values for Simpson 3/8 rule, which I will explain you. In the first column you write your 0th or first iteration value and the last iteration value. Okay. In the second column you will write your first, second, fourth, fifth, seventh and eighth iteration value. Okay. And in your third column you will write your third iteration value and your sixth iteration value. Why? I will explain when I will explain the general formula. So this is the pattern for writing the values. Next, the general formula. This is the general formula, 3 divided by h. From this the name 3/8 rule comes, times h into f of 0 or our first iteration value and f of n, our last iteration value, into 3 into summation of I equals to 1 to n divided by 3. The lower limit is I equals to 1 and the upper limit is n divided by 3, that is 9 divided by 3 or 3. For I equals to 1, f of 3 into I, that is 3 into 1 minus 2. So 3 into 1 minus 2 is 1. This is our first iteration value. We will write in second column. Plus 3 into 1 minus 1, that is plus 2. So we will write our second iteration value in the second column. Next, for I equals to 2, 3 into 2 minus 2, that is 4. Our fourth iteration value is written in the second column. Plus 3 into 2 minus 1, that is 6 minus 1, 5. So our fifth iteration value is written in the second column. and for I equals to 3, 3 into 3, that is 9 minus 2, 7. So our 7th iteration value is written in the second column, and 3 into 3 minus 1, that is 9 minus 1, 8. So our 8th iteration value is written in the second column. Now we will sum all these values and multiply them by 3 according to the formula. And coming to the last part, so for I equals to 1 with lower limit, and the upper limit is n divided by 3 minus 1. So n is 9, 9 divided by 3 is 3, minus 1, 2. So we will do I1 and I2. So I equals to 1, 3 into I, that is 3. So we will write our third iteration value in the third column. And for I equals to 2, 3 into 2, 6. So we will write our sixth iteration value in the second column. And we will add these values and multiply them by 2 according to the formula. So as you have understood the Simpson 3/8 rule, let's proceed to the calculation. And now we will come to our calculation. 3 into 8 into h, h is 1 divided by 9, into f of 0 value, which is our first value, plus f of n value, which is our last value, plus 3 into all sum of all these values. So 3 into 0.4475 plus 0.4009 plus 0.324 plus 0.2924 plus 0.2403 plus 0.2189 plus 2 into these two values. So plus 2 into 0.36 plus 0.2647. Adding these two, 0.7 plus 3 into sum of all these values is 1.924 plus 2 into adding this, you will get 0.6247. So simplifying this, you will get 0.3217. So this is our required integration value using Simpson 3/8 rule. And now the secret trick. Do you know you can actually do this integration directly on this calculator? For that, press the integration button and enter the integration. So press the fraction button, 1 divided by 1 plus, for x press alpha and the right parenthesis, and this button for square. Enter the lower limit 1, enter the upper limit 2, and press the equals to button. So you will get 0.3217, which is our derived value. So this was the trick. So isn't it cool? So friends, this was my video on Simpson 3/8 rule. How was the video? Let me know in the comments below. And if this video has helped you, please help me by liking the video and sharing the video at least one time. And do not forget to subscribe to YouTube channel. By subscribing, you can stay connected with me and get regular updates from me. And also, by liking and sharing and commenting on the video, you will be in my top 100 list of top YouTube fans. So don't miss that out. So this was the preview of the mode 7 table mode of this calculator. I have uploaded video tutorials on each of the 8 modes of this calculator. Mode 1 computational mode, mode 2 complex number mode, mode 3 statistics mode, mode 4 number system mode, mode 5 equation solver mode, mode 6 matrix algebra mode, mode 7 table generator mode, and mode 8 vector algebra mode. Do you know you can do permutation combination, logarithmic calculation, calculation of random numbers, you can do polar to rectangular conversion, rectangular to polar conversion, finding values of scientific constants, conversion between units like centimeter to inches, kilometer to mile conversion on mode 1 computational mode of this calculator. In mode 2 complex mode, you can do some addition, subtraction, multiplication, conjugate of complex number, etc. In statistical mode, you can find out mean, median, mode, standard deviation, correlation coefficient, etc. In mode 4 number system mode, you can convert between binary, octal, hexadecimal, decimal, and can do logical operations like AND, OR, XOR, XNOR, NOT, 1's complement and 2's complement calculation. And in number 5 equation solver mode, you can solve 2 simultaneous equations, system of 3 linear equations, quadratic equations, cubic polynomial equations you can solve. In matrix mode you can do addition, subtraction, multiplication, transpose, inverse of matrices. In mode 7, table generator mode, enter a function of x or f of x and it will automatically calculate all the values on that function which are also required for graphing the function. And in vector mode of this calculator you can do addition, subtraction, multiplication of vectors, dot product, cross products, etc. So if you want to know how to use all the features of this Casio fx-991ES calculator for doing maths easily, you can visit to my YouTube channel. The link to my YouTube channel is given at the end of the video, also in the video description. I have also uploaded videos on this Casio fx-991ES calculator, the popular calculator. Also, I have uploaded videos on statistics, numerical methods, operation research, computer science and engineering, number systems, probability, etc. So if you want to watch any of my previous videos and my upcoming future videos, please visit my YouTube channel. So thanks for watching. See you in my next video and stay connected by subscribing.